These are the top 5 mods under $500 that can actually be able to wake up your Hemi RAM. You don't need to spend a lot of money for you to be able to make your Hemi RAM fast. I'm going to be sharing with you guys this budget-friendly top 5 mods under 500 bucks. All you need is $500 to be able to get some of these mods I'm about to share with you guys right now in this video. What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. And today we are talking about top 5 mods under $500. Yes, I said $500 that you really could spend. And these mods will completely change how your truck drive and what actually really works. So these are my top 5 right here. Mods that actually really, that's going to be able to change your truck performance overall. Number 1 is going to be a core air intake. Core air intake is the first thing out the door that you have to get. This will add somewhere around like 5 to 15 plus horsepower depending on the setup. Now, better throttle response you get from a core air intake, add more of aggressive intake sound. This budget normally range from anywhere like 150 to like 350 bucks. My core intake I have on my truck, I think I paid a little bit over $350, which is still not bad. This is something I would highly recommend. This is actually like my number 1 mod right here. I recommend that you do. Number 2 is going to be a muffler delete or muffler swap. You can do flow master, you can do scrape pipes. This is like the biggest smiles per dollar right here mod right here. I'm saying it doesn't cost that much. Super cheap for you to be able to do fast and easy. You get the deep Hemi rumble. Budget for this honestly depends too. It's from around $100 to like $300, depending on where you get it done. Or if you're doing it yourself, you might not even spend more than $100. You probably got to pay for the muffler itself and pretty much labor. If you're doing it yourself, you don't have to pay labor. So that's why I said anywhere from $100 to $300. Number 3 for me, honestly, I'm gonna have to say is getting an oil catch can. Now this, well, I wouldn't say oil catch can, my bad about that. I'm gonna scratch that. Number 3 gonna have to be clutch fan delete. The reason why I'm saying clutch fan delete, because your regular fan that comes on these trucks, they sit on the water pump and stuff like that, and that cause, that make you don't really you lose, I think, somewhere around like 5+ horsepower. Nothing crazy though, but deleting that gonna help your truck stay a lot more cooler, especially when you upgrade your thermostat. When you're doing this, we just highly recommend it. You're gonna have a lot more room for you to be able to work underneath your hood. Also, you're gonna free up like probably somewhere around like 5 to 10 horsepower. I'm not too sure on the numbers, but doing this, obviously, I think this alone costs, I think I spent probably just for that setup was probably at least like 100 plus on Amazon for like the fan itself, and very simple for you to do, straightforward process. It's definitely worth it. Number 4 is going to be performance spark plugs plus coil packs. This is kind of like an optional upgrade, but I would highly recommend you do so. You're going to get a smoother power deliver. This help your MPG slightly, nothing too crazy. Doing this, price range from anywhere like $100 to like $250, depending also on what kind of spark plugs and coil packs you go with. Number 5 right here, guys, I'm gonna have to say your rear diff fluid change with performance fluids. Now, not really flashy, but improve longevity, performance feel. This right here budget is very cheap. This is something that's very affordable. Can range from anywhere between like 50 to like 120, somewhere around there, I believe so. Now, these are the top 5 things right here, right? I would say for you guys, I would definitely recommend you guys do, if you have like a very tight budget, just even $1,000 can still, spending like $1,000, you can still get yourself a good amount of parts and things for your truck to start off with. Nothing crazy, but the $500 budget is like for somebody who, you daily your truck and you just you're not really into performance that much, and you're just looking for something just to give it a little bit more of a better feeling, your truck to be able to drive a little bit more better. All of these things I just named is dang near like pretty much under $500. or close to $500. So there's really no excuse. Doing this would definitely 100% change up the performance on your truck. Now, nothing too crazy, but this would definitely help overall. Way more responsive, sound more aggressive, and honestly, it will feel like a different truck. So, but that's gonna be about it in this video today, guys. I want to say one thing though. I definitely appreciate those who are supporting the channel. Still got a lot to learn about YouTube. Still got a long way we gotta go, but we're definitely gonna keep working. And we definitely gonna keep doing more mods to this truck. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.